Hello friends, myself Ravi Inania, and today I am here with my Viva topic, that is difference between string in C and difference between string in Java. So we will start. So today's date 5th September 2022. So basically, when we say about string in Java and in C, there is much difference between both the types or both the languages. So basically, in Java, as we know, Java is an object-oriented programming language. So whatever we have to do, we have to do it through an object. In other hand, C is an oriented programming languages, and is POP. So basically, when in Java, string is an object, so it store the reference of the or the location of that particular object. That we can say, suppose we create a string, that is string str equals to, in double quote we write hello. So basically, what it does or how it works is that it creates an hello type, and it creates an object named hello in SCP. What is SCP? SCP is a memory location which is present inside a heap memory. So SCP means string constant pool. So basically, it will create an object named hello, and the location of that object or the reference of that object will be assigned to the str, that is string variable or string object. So basically, in Java we call it as an object because string is an object. In other hand, C language or C++, string, it is an character of an array, array of character. So basically, there is no method, we can say there is not a predefined method. So when we need to define or create a string in C language, we just need to initialize or initialize like a character array. So basically, char name in the bracket array equals to its size. So we have to define its size. So basically, it is a array of character in C language. So in the other hand, in Java, string is immutable. So it means once we assign it, or when we assign a value to it, we can't change it. So if we want to change it, we have to do it by assignment. But in C language, string is not immutable. String is treated as primitive data type. Because in Java, string is non-primitive data type, but in C language, string is primitive data type. It is treated as primitive data type, and so because primitive data type are stored on heap, so the load on or we can say execution will be increases. But in other hand, Java, because stack doesn't contain more memory or more space or the more load, so its execution is fast. As we know, Java is compile and interpret, but the C language is only compile. But Java also contains some predefined methods which are useful for developers while working with string. So we can perform a big operation by just one line. Suppose we need to find an index of any character, we can use index of. Suppose we want to print any character of particular index, we can use char at. Suppose we want to reverse it, we can simply use reverse method, etc. So Java contains various predefined method which is useful for developer or the user to use it and to perform some complicated executions easily. But in other hand, C doesn't have any predefined methods, not methods. In C we call it as functions. So there is no predefined function that can help us to perform our code easily. So this is all about, or this is difference between the string in C and string in Java. So with this, I like to stop here. Thank you.